I'm going to show you how to switch sandbox blocks in your Gorilla Tag fan game. So you will have to follow my last tutorial on how to add sandbox for this to actually work. And yeah, let's go into it. So the first thing that you want to do is have a little block selector thing like this. And then what you want to do is you have a block placing manager with a texture. In my case, the texture I used is a box. What you want to do is just repeat the process that you did to make that, but don't duplicate anything. But since I did a box, I'm actually going to name this like box placer or something like that. But I'm going to create another empty, and this one I'm going to call it grass placer. So just do the exact same process that you did to actually make the block placer in the first place. So but now the only thing I'm going to change is the material. I'm going to make that a grass material that I have. So this one right here, this one is grass. So now I'm going to go back. Material 0.3, this one 0.49 or 48, and have that checked. And so that's basically the process that you'd have to do for every new block that you want to do. It's kind of tedious, but it's worth it. It's really cool to have more blocks. So now I have a box placer and a grass placer. Alright, so now what I did was I made a box, grass, rock, and dirt placer. So you just got to do that process as many times as how many blocks you have. I have 4, so I made 4. But basically, for my box placer, I'm going to make that, or for the box button, I'm going to make that enable and then 3 disables. So it'll enable the box placer, but disable the rest, the grass, rock, and dirt places. Now on this one, I'll put 3 disables and 1 enable, and it will enable the grass placer and then disable the box, dirt, and rock placer. Now grass, so this one needs an enable and disable. Well, enable grass and disable box, rock, and dirt placers. Alright, now my last one, the dirt one, is 3. Oopsie doopsie, did not cancel. Disable, enable. Alright, so now that I did that, that's how you add a block chooser to your Gorilla Tag fan game. For the start, you don't want all of your placers enabled, so I'm actually going to disable all of them and then click play to test it. Placer, or my block selector. So now, if I click the box button, I click the box one and I place it. As you can see, he placed a block, and I made the blocks a little bit too big on accident. And then have his hand touch the grass one, how about? Boom. So as you can see, I placed a little bit too big grass block. So yeah, that's how you add a block changer to your Gorilla Tag fan game. If anything is confusing or something doesn't work or you just have questions, please leave a comment down below. I will make sure to respond to all of them. So yeah, goodbye.